If you want to become a millionaire in 2024, here are the 3 things you have to stop wasting your time on. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. After making over $12 million on the internet, I know a thing or two about time optimization and making sure that when you want to go from 6 to 7 and 7 to 8 figures, there are things that you have to stop doing manually yourself. And the first thing is cleaning or washing your clothes or cooking, okay? And I say this with full radical transparency, one of our core values here at Wojo Media, which is I don't cook, I don't clean, I don't do my own laundry. I refuse to do things that are less than $10 an hour when I can just go out to eat, or I can Uber Eats, or I can do something, right? You can still eat healthy by going out. You can still watch your calories by going out. Your clothes aren't gonna smell different if you do it, right? Your home is not gonna be cleaner if you do it because you're busy running a business. And I see this all the time from entrepreneurs just starting out. I pay a cleaning lady $160 every 2 weeks. It's affordable for everybody. Comes over for 2 to 3 hours, cleans all my stuff, does all my laundry, folds my clothes, and I'm reset for the next 2 weeks. You know, I can pack the stuff in, she folds it really nicely, I can go travel with it, whatever the case may be. You have to find time optimization because every hour you allocate to something that's unnecessary is 1 hour away from the thing that is necessary, which is doing whatever the fuck it takes to grow your business. So that's the first thing that you should not be spending your time doing right now. Number 2 is taxes, okay? A lot of the times we like to control this because we like to control our finances, we're very controlling over our money, but what we don't understand is tax law. We don't understand tax codes, and you need to give that to professionals who understand what they are doing. Do not just give your taxes this brief look or brief overview. I don't care if you're making $60,000 a year, $80,000 a year, $40,000. Stop doing your taxes if you're a self-employed entrepreneur. You should be giving it to a tax professional to make sure that your business and foundation is not just incorporated correctly, but set up correctly financially with the right financial modeling, the right spreadsheets, the right allocations, cost analysis, all those things, okay? Don't do things that you don't understand completely. Number 3 is doing all the tasks in your business that don't drive revenue. I see this all the time when entrepreneurs doing things that don't drive revenue. Posting on Instagram, still, emailing clients and customers back, like taking calls. Like, you should not be doing these things. You are the visionary. You are the engineer. You should not be doing these small-minded tasks. That's why you have to hire. And a big thing that I see with entrepreneurs between 10 and 30K a month is they just can't hire. They don't have systems. They can't give up that control because you don't think people are as good as you. And that's your problem. You want to be a leader, but you're a leader to yourself. You're not a leader to a team. And that's the big transition I had to make, is that if I want to make more money in my business, I have to be able to delegate and trust other people, because when you trust people, you're going to be able to trust your systems, and you're also going to be able to trust humans a lot more throughout your journey, which is going to make it easier for you to have relationships and network and all that fun stuff. So those are the 3 biggest things that I learned that I just couldn't spend my time doing. And I think that time is a huge asset that you can't get back. And sometimes we're small-minded about it because when we start making money, we want to hoard and just collect all of it and keep all of it. We want to do everything. We want to touch everything. We always want to have our hands in everything. And we can't be the jack of all trades. You got to be the jack of 1 or maybe 2 trades at the most inside of your business to help prove that concept and build the blocks from there on out. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.